Real Leads Finder Pro delivers an all-in-one marketing department right into your hands, so you can exponentially increase your lead conversion rate and close more sales. Here's a quick peek at our email templates that are fully editable, so you can easily brand them for your consistent look throughout your marketing campaign. As you can see, the system lets you easily preview what your email templates will look like on multiple devices. The real beauty comes in play with our automation system that lets you schedule out your email campaign based on certain lead behaviors and responses. Click the link below and see how we can help your real estate business grow.